Hello, teacher. How to compare different cultures? Sudan, USA, and Colombia. These cultures are really interesting. I invite you to know a little more about them. Sudan is located in the northeast of Africa. USA is located in the central North America. Colombia is located in the northeast of South America. USA is the largest of the three. Sudan and Colombia are more friendly than USA. Language. Sudan, the official language are Arab and English. They communicate in more than 100 interesting languages than they use to communicate. United States, the official language is English. Colombia, the official language is Spanish, but the indigenous group has its dialect. Gastronomy. Sudan gastronomy varies by region. Traditional food is fava bean dish. USA gastronomy has a variety of dishes of the other culture. They had hot dog, hamburger, sandwich, and more. Colombia gastronomy has a variety of dishes in every region. Religion. Sudan practice diversity in behavior, tradition, practice, and belief. USA, 47% is Protestant and 57% are other religions. Colombia practice Catholicism and Christianity and other religions. Sport. Sudan practice soccer, baseball, and athletics. USA practice football, basketball, hockey, baseball, tennis, and another. Colombia practice soccer, baseball, athletics, among others. It was interesting to know about different cultures. Thank you for your attention.